Are you ever just driving along in your car and then just happen to stop and notice the views that are around you? Views like this lake here in the background. Welcome to my little vlog of driving and stopping at various sites over the Brecon Beacons. With views like that, those mountains behind me, just take your time on the road, stop and enjoy your surroundings rather than rushing everywhere you go. How stunning is that behind me there? It's like we're up in the clouds. It is so hot today. It is absolutely fire.
Yoga fire!
You will also see beautiful rivers like this behind me. Look at this, it's a well old church and graveyard. There's loads to see. I don't mean like churches and graveyards, but there's loads to see on this route, but it's quite hard to pull up. Yeah, there's not a lot of laybys on this road, so you can't always pull up and when you see something of an interest, but this is mad in here. I wonder how old the oldest grave is. I'm not going to go traipsing across them. It's a bit disrespectful, isn't it? But there's one there, 1572. I'm not going to film anyone's grave. It's disrespectful, isn't it? But yeah, it's a good drive. This Brecon Beacons road. This is a good drive. It's a shame that you haven't got more laybys so you can pull up and look at things. But I'm pulling up when I can. I am pulling up when I can, when there's something to show. Look at that there. That goes right down there. Someone's lobbed the bins down there. And then there's a door. See it? I bet that was like the morgue or something. Shame there's not like a vicar or something around. I'd ask a few questions, but anyway. We'll keep driving, we'll keep seeing what we see. Trying to find things. Now the problem with doing any of these scenic roads, you always end up behind a tractor.
After 300 yards, cross the roundabout and take the second exit.
Shut up. So that was just a short vlog really. As I say, there's loads to see but not many places to park up and look. So it's just a few little clips of coming over the Brecon Beacons. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Take care of yourselves and each other. And I'll see you on the next one, guys, which will hopefully be a bit longer. Last two vlogs haven't gone very well, have they? But see you on the next one.